You guys, it's not moving. Hi, everybody. How are you? Today, we are going to be unboxing. We are going to be unboxing my Boxycharm pop-up. Is that what it was called? Goodies. Let's just leave it at that because I don't remember what it was called. I think it was the Boxypopup. Yes. So let's see what we got. And because I don't remember what I got, if there's anything to play with, then we are going to play with it. I have pretty neutral look going on today because this is what I did to go to work. Pretty good. So let's open her up and let's see what we got. First item up is the Soft Light Blurring Powder Golden Hour by Becca. This packaging, look at this packaging. It is absolutely beautiful. A real-life wearable beauty filter. This soft, loose setting powder graces skin with subtle luminosity, blurs imperfections, and illuminates shine. The unique plush microfine texture creates a flattering veil that does not cake or settle into fine lines or pores. Okay. And it says, made in the USA. Can we just take a moment? Look how beautiful this is. Okay. Oh, and it didn't come off all in one piece. Almost. That is absolutely beautiful. So we are going to play with that, see how that works. Ooh, we got lashes. Lily lashes. I love Lily lashes. Look how beautiful these babies are. And these are limited edition lashes, faux mink. One pair of faux mink lashes, cruelty-free strip lashes, reusable with proper care. Made in PRC. Lily. And these are in the style Gaia. And last but not least, a palette by Ciate London. And this is the editor palette, Talum. 18-piece eyeshadow palette. Made in PRC. If you have this palette from Ciate London, please tell me. Oh, this is pretty though. Look at that. Tell me if the original is made in USA or if it's actually made in China. But this is beautiful. And, you know, I am kind of disappointed it is actually made in PRC, but if this is where Ciate London actually makes their products, it is a beautiful palette. I'm actually, when I get off of here from recording, I am going to check that out myself, and I will leave it down in the description box what I found out about that, because it is important to me personally. If Ciate London's products are actually, if this palette from Ciate London is made in the United States and Boxycharm made it in, if it was made in in China for Boxycharm, that's not okay with me. But we are going to play with this one anyway. First, I want to try this powder out. So, I'm going to use this mirror. So let's take this out. And I'm just going to use the fan brush, because I did not bring my big brushes, just my eye brushes. I don't know. Can we tell a difference at all? Sorry, I got a phone call. Anyway, we are back, and while we were away, I got an actual powder brush. So let's try this again. Well, it is a very pretty powder, and I will be reaching for it. And I've always wanted to try it. So I am really glad that I got that. That is beautiful. So let's dig in to this, and it is a very pretty palette. So let's try to create a look. I'm going to pick up, who is this? I don't know. Let's pick up this brush. And I'm gonna go in with this color down here first. Ooh, there is a lot of kick up on that. Just kind of create a base for that. Went in a little lightly the second time. There's a lot of shimmers in here. Not really the right shimmers. I'm going to go in with this, it's like a coral color. Not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. You see that? No, you can't. I mean, there's like no pigmentation on that one at all. I'm going to get a littler brush. And it kind of concerns me a little bit because red 40 is in this palette. And I'm allergic to red 40. The shade has no pigment whatsoever. I want to swatch this. It's very light. I'm going to go in with this, it's like a brown. How did I get color all the way over there on my nose? You guys. Oh, you're not even in frame. That literally has like no pigment. Oh my goodness. I'm getting a more denser brush. And I'm going to get this really dark shade right here. There is tons of kick up on this. Okay, I'm going to try blending, see what happens. It's not moving. I'm going to bring in this coral. I'm dabbing just a little bit. You guys, it's not moving. Well. I'm going to pick up my original brush, go back into that dark color. Look at the kick up on this. I don't want to blind you. Hold on. Can you see that? I don't even know if you can see that. There is so much kick up. It's literally wherever you put it, it stays. Wow. The Ciate London, the editor palette from the Boxypopup shop is crap. Final thought. Look at that. It will not blend. It will not. I cannot create a look with this palette. I guess it's going to be for display purposes only. On a brighter note, look at this beautiful cup that my middle sister sent us. This side says, side by side or miles apart, sisters will always be connected by heart. And there's the three of us. Isn't this cute? So adorable. I'm not going to try the lashes. So there you go. I am going to I don't know what to do, guys. I really don't. I don't even know if I'm going to post this. I don't know. I'm really upset. I spent my money on this and I'm mad. I mean, it will not blend. Look, I can't even get it to move. The color will not move. You guys are witnessing me. I'm putting pressure. The color won't move. At all. It's not blending. Warning, discontinue use if irritation occurs. Do not use if eye is injured, infected, or irritated. Advertisement stopper. Okay, then there's warning in other languages. Distributed by Ciate London, UK, ciatelondon.com. Made in PRC. I mean, this is what it says on the back. This is the back of the actual box. I guess this is it. I don't know if I'm going to post this. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys. Bye. Hey guys, I decided before I end, I went on to Ciate London's website. I did a little digging. This palette that they have on their website just launched. There's no information on where it was made. And I went on their Instagram page. It was just launched on December, I think I said December 1st. I think. There's no reviews on it at all. But I also saw on their Instagram page, they have one post of a lady doing a look with it, a beautiful eye look. And she effortlessly creates this beautiful pink eye look with some of the shimmers in here. And she just rubs her finger in it like that and transfers it to her eyelid. It's coming off in patches. You see that? And while I was up close and personal with this palette freaking smells. And it smells like a cross between a strange chemical and a crayon. Like old crayons. I've got my wipes here because I'm going to take this off my skin. Like I said earlier, I am allergic to red number 40. And I also looked on their website at the ingredients and compared them to the ingredients that are on the back of the box. There are tons of ingredients listed for this particular palette. there is like 2 paragraphs on their website for this particular palette. On the back of this box, you have this itty bitty section right here. I'm sorry if I'm blinding you. The packaging is very reflective. And the packaging in their photos, you can't really tell if it's similar or not because everything is matte and it is very hard to take photos of such a shiny packaging. While I'm talking to you, I'm going to take this off my skin. But I'm going to bet that this is not Seate London's quality. If it is, shame on you, Seate London, because I don't see you selling any of these if this is your actual quality product, because this is not a cheap product on your website. And I think it was like $39.99 or something on your actual website. And this is crap. There's no pigment whatsoever. I mean, at all. And the shades do not blend. The glitters or shimmer shades do not transfer at all. Like, at all. As easily as the girl in the Instagram video swiped it from the palette and transferred it to her eye. And she was using these shades right here. And let's just see. She used the pink glitter. Yeah, that swiped on my hand. It's a very pretty on my hand, but it will not do that to my eye. Guarantee you. It's on my finger. Patchy. And it was still on my finger. I'm going to have to fix my foundation around my face. Like I said, I don't even know if I'm going to post this. I don't even know if I'm going to take pictures of this and put it on my page. I might. I just might. But that's all I got to say. Love you guys. Bye.